Church Brothers is a complex agricultural company, and I say complex because it's the full business cycle from growing, harvesting, processing, shipping, and sales arm. So it's all levels. It is in California, Arizona, and in Mexico. I do believe there is some confusion, especially up the supply chain, who purchase from growers, suppliers, and they don't quite understand where is it coming from, how is it an in-house program, is it external, who do we contract with. So there is an enormous amount of regulation that has come out and requirements from our customers on making sure anybody we do business with, and it's not just in-house program, but FLC specifically, that they have the same guidelines of what we require for our employees, right? So it's employee rights, employee safety, their working conditions, and so the whole spectrum of that. So there's a lot more regulation because there's a lot of confusion over that topic.